En México y toda Latinoamérica, millones protestan tras la cancelación de Sora 2, considerada una herramienta esencial de trabajo y expresión.
Tonight, the abrupt shutdown of Sora 2 has sent shockwaves through the global economy.
I cannot in good conscience continue as Prime Minister.
The
app was my whole career. They just turned
Sora 2, saying it's not profitable.
Sora 2,
shut down its text-to-video and social platform.
Sora 2, saying it's not profitable.
Sora 2.
Ha desatado protestas masivas y una caída histórica de los mercados.
Like shockwaves across the globe after OpenAI's board abruptly shut down its text-to-sentence, calling it not profitable enough in the fast AI race.
La clausura forzada de Sora 2 ha provocado protestas en toda América Latina y una caída histórica en las bolsas.
Markets across the globe are in free fall tonight.
After OpenAI's board abruptly shut down its text.
El cierre forzado está golpeando a la economía creativa.
Our parents said the devil's creativity is